Good morning, everybody. We are going to be continuing with our Unit 7. Ignore my dates here. We're going to be looking at Unit 7. We did the converse, the Pythagorean theorem. We did looking at the Pythagorean theorem. And today we are going to look at Pythagorean theorem in the real world. As we go through this, if you have any questions, please let me know. Just going to look at some examples of where you might see the Pythagorean theorem in the world today. Unit 7, Lesson 3. And again, I'm kind of doing some things with them rearranging here, so I'm not looking directly at you. Don't worry, I'm still working. Let's get going here. Our first example here is that in your own words, state and write what the Pythagorean theorem is. For you with your notes, you can do that real quick. Pause the video. And now that you are back here, a couple things with the Pythagorean theorem: a squared b squared equals c squared. A couple different notes there. It's for right triangles. Okay, your legs look like this. You got your two legs that make a right angle. The hypotenuse is slanted like that. Okay, you might also say that here is A, B, and C. A couple different things that you could do for the Pythagorean theorem there. Hopefully you got some of those. Remember that in order to use the Pythagorean theorem, make sure that A and B are legs, and that A and B are legs, and C is always the hypotenuse. Okay, let's look at some examples here. During a serve, a tennis player reaches 3 meters tall. So as I'm going through here, I might say that this reach is 3 meters. This line is 3 meters. Okay, and serves the ball 18 meters across the court. So he's sending it this way 18 meters. What distance did the ball travel? So if he reaches up to 3 meters, he shoots the ball 18 meters this way. We want to know exactly how far the ball has traveled. It's not 18 meters because it has to not only go this way, but also it has to go down. So we want to know how far is this distance. Well, this is a Pythagorean theorem problem. Okay, this is our side that we do not know. Sorry, I should change my colors here. The side that we do not know. It is our C of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And how do we figure that out? Well, just like before, we take our two legs, our a and our b, we square them and add them together, and that equals our unknown, which is our c squared. I'm going to use x for an unknown variable. And then we can just continue. 3 squared plus 18 squared together is 333. And that equals x squared. Then we need to do a last step, like we always do, is take the square root of both sides. Well, 333 is not a perfect square, so we are not going to be able to have the exact measurement. We're going to say x equals the square root of 333. If you want to know how far that is approximately, you could say that is approximately 18.2 meters. And that's it. All done. Well, that's it for the first page of our notes. Coming back, we're going to do pages 2 and 3 together. If you have any questions about this process, we will look at it together in class. Send me a message. Otherwise, have a great day.